Today I am going to show you how to add your Facebook account to Save Poster. You can see here, click on plus sign to add your Facebook account. So I just clicked on plus sign. It is showing me this, and make sure you logged in your Facebook account. Now here it is asking for Facebook email and password. So you might have trust issue on our app. So what I will suggest you to go to the setting, then go to the security and login. I will create a app password. So here is the option generate app password. I will generate the app password. Here I put the app and click on generate password. It gave me a password which I can use. So I just copied it and paste it here, and then I give my username and clicked on generate token. It gave me the security session key and I pasted here and clicked on add account. And after some time it will add my Facebook account. So let us wait for some time. Yes, it is added. Now clicking on close button. Now I can see I have 4 groups and 4 pages. So what about my managed pages and friends? If I have my managed pages and others, I can select here. Sometimes the problem is that we do not get the groups total. So what I need to do is I need to adjust the level to 50 so that Facebook import my all of the groups by 50 because there are some limitation on the latest update of Graph API. So I need to make sure it is 50 and I will increase as much I can. So clicking on save, and now I will click on this button and it will update my Facebook account and it will show all of my groups and pages and friends. Clicking on send resend, it will now show me my friends here. So my account is added. Sometimes it asks the user to verify. So what it would be, it will be best if you click on here and there will be an option to verify. Just click on this is me. So after you click on this is me, Facebook will not again ask your password or anything that will block your account. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great day.